Okay, welcome back. This is part 4. Okay, we're continuing our gameplay of a game called Wild Love. It's a free mobile web app kind of thing. It's just a simple romantic choices-based story game for probably young girls or something. I thought it was funny and silly, and we haven't done a video like this in a while. This is part 4 of chapter 1 that we're playing on this game. I don't know if we have to pay to unlock other chapters. We'll see how far we get. We're a woman named Miss Kitka. We named her. She's shipwrecked on an island. A guy named Unga Bunga. We named him. Who's trying to take care of us and who's rescued us and bring us back to health and whatever. So, do we marry Unga Bunga? Does he get us off the island? I don't know. But there are romantic choices and there's survival choices. Alright, so let's get back to it. If you watched the other videos, thank you. But you're all caught up. We're on an island shipwrecked. And so far, we only know it's us and Unga Bunga. It's just two of us. We'll see what happens. Do we find love? Do we get off the island? We'll see how far we get. Thank you for watching the video. Let's go. Let's ride. Let's ride. Here we go. So, Unga Bunga. Do you speak my language? I say, man, do you speak my language? He just smiled and gave me a Vegemite sandwich. And he said, I come from a land down under. Yes, but I haven't heard my native language. I've been living here a very long time. Oh. How long ago? Unga Bunga don't know years. Unga Bunga an island. Many years. Amazing, your knowledge is back. Well, pretty girl inspire Unga Bunga to speak English again. I was fine with grunting, but now I have to speak because of you. Amazing, your knowledge is back. What language are you using now? Tribal language spoken by islanders, so I guess there's other people. Excuse me, guys. It's 1 a.m. And when you turn on a camera, your voice always goes bad. So play Gamma. So that's what I was saying before. I'm so sorry. Excuse me. I may or may not edit this out. The name of the site is called Play Gamma. You can play any of these games for free. Play Gamma. You can search for it on Google. Get back to the story. Play Gamma. Tribal language spoken by islanders. My throat. So are the people here? Why didn't you take me to them straight away? You look at her. Look at her face. She's not happy. You wouldn't want to meet them. They eat pretty white girl. They not like us. That sounds pretty vague. Maybe they're dangerous? Or maybe he simply wants to keep me beside him. Oh, I hope so. You hunka. You Borneo hunka. Well, so far he's succeeding to keep me close to him. And yet, I don't want to run away. Hello. Yet I don't want to run away. You pick up the radio and try to turn it on. It's uncharged. Unga Bunga, why didn't you charge my radio? You told me there's a Holiday Inn right around the corner. You should charge up my radio. My radio doesn't work here. Unga Bunga say, you crazy lady, no electricity on this island. Me don't know what electricity is. It's uncharged. This is my only chance to contact rescuers. This is uncharged? What'd that mean? Yes, the batteries. How can I explain this to you? Is it possible to find batteries on the island? I mean, really? Really? Maybe they have a hardware store here. I mean, really? Really? If they have a hardware store there, he chose to make this shithole out of logs and stuff himself? Really? Or drugstore. Stop it. Uh-huh. They have a drugstore. Uh-huh. We have CVS down the street. Shithole store. Me prefer Walgreens. You frantically rub your face with your palms to release the stress. There is place. Where? A big metal bird. Ah. A downed airplane. An aeroplane? Yes, crash plane. You may find what you need there. Well, that's true. That's some good news. I don't have to live in this shithole forever. I mean, will you take me to it? Will you take me there? Okay. God. Me don't want to be married anymore. Me no do honey-do chores. Me no weekend warrior. Unga Bunga holds out his hand to help you go down. Oh, Unga. I should know I like Unga Bunga far more with this new look. Oh. Unga just does it for me. You wild man. That's the bad boy inside. I just always been into bad boys since college. Even though he lives on an island, many guys could learn gallantry from him. Until he shits in the middle of the living room. What problem? Me and Jungle, me shit on floor. I'll pick that shit up right now. We shit on floor. That's what Unga Bunga do. Oh, crap. No, so much for your gallantry. You make your way through the jungle. You look around cautiously. You are surrounded by the unusual twittering of birds and a mixture of different floral scents. Oh, so intoxicating. This is a wonderful place. I could live here forever and have 12 Unga Bunga babies. We can call Unga Bunga 1, Unga Bunga 2. Jeff. Unga Bunga 3, Unga Bunga 4. John. But still I'm here. I'm very homesick. Unga Bunga walks confidently beside you, glancing at you every now and then. Unga Bunga digging the scenery, you know what I'm saying? Unga Bunga like this scenery, hello. I wouldn't have managed without him. Why are the islanders dangerous? They're not like us. Why is that? They kill strangers. What? What? They kill strangers? What? What? Oh God, do you mean anyone arriving on the island? You said that you were not born here. You were a stranger too, weren't you? I was a child, they spared me. It's just terrible. Why did they do this? Their faith requires it. Your religion? Yes, I don't but not leave in sacrifice. Except for my virginity. Hello. Hello. Anyone here? Anyone here? I was stranger and saw much spilt blood. Is this why you're helping me? I do everything I can to marry you. Hello. And I would do everything I can to protect you. And bed you. I mean, what protect you? Stop with these... Everything pops up stuff. This is very notable. This is very notable. Romance points. Let's get them. This is very noble of you. They raised you, but you never adopted their bloodthirsty violence, savages. I suggest you have very strong will. You are strong. Will you carry me? Hello. I am violent too. Violence is inherent in everyone. Inherent? On the shore I saw you grasping a rock that you were going to use to hit me. Ah, yeah. You almost hurt Hunga Bunga. Hit big head instead of tiny head. Hello? There's only 2 roles on the island. You're either a hunter or a victim. Hunga Bunga respects your self-defense. You show yourself real hunter. Me hunter too. Me hunting for next Mrs. Hunga Bunga. What differentiates me from the islanders is that I know the difference. Me know hot white chick when me see one. Me sick and tired of dating chimps and monkeys. Me want real white woman. Me know the difference. He scares me. But yet he's also sensible. He scares me and sensible. Strong, silent, handsome, violent, handsome, violent and handsome. I'll take it. I'll just take whatever I can get right now. His vocabulary is expanding right before your eyes. That's not all. Hello. Hello. That's not all that's expanding. We passed by a worship place. I'd like to show you. A worship place? It's an outhouse where everyone screams, oh my god, every time they're taking a shit. Yeah, see? I'm so sorry. You enter a small... It's 1 a.m. Guys, it's 1 a.m. on a Friday. Technically Saturday morning now. You enter a small glade. An Everglade. No ads. I paid. No ads. Your eyes are drawn to a rock with smooth with carvings on it. Somehow I like the one on the left. Wow, it's real cave paintings. There's a sketchy image on the rock of a woman with sun symbols around her. He has the same in his home. It's scary. You cast a quick glance in his direction. Hunga Bunga notices this. Me notice you checking me out. I check you out too. Hello. I promise to protect you. I think the killing of foreigners is dreadful. Come on. Is there something you wanted to ask me? Yes. You can see facial features in the woman's image, okay? They describe her image in such a detail. I bet it's his damn mother. Is she a goddess? Yes. What's she doing? We call dropping deuce. She protects islanders against diseases, predators, and armed strangers. I didn't know Wonder Woman lived here. She predicts rich harvest. She gives us power. Therefore, I must maintain faith in her. I maintain faith in her. This is stupid. This is reasonable. Well, he lives on an island, okay? Yeah, it's reasonable. Your faith inspires me greatly. As long as it's not backed by killings. Unga Bunga is impressed by your words. Me glad, too. We go now. Wait, I'd like to copy this image. For what? Things like this things like this are of cultural value. You draw the image of the goddess in your notebook. You continue on your way. Is it still far away? No, very close. I'm so tired I can barely walk. Will you carry me, Unga Bunga, in those big, strong arms? The bandaged leg is hurting. Taking each step with care, you notice a motion in the grass. What's there? Two toad eyes are staring at you from the bushes. Rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. Why, chick? Why, chick? That's a big toad. I've never seen one of those before. Then how do you know what it was? Its skin is shiningly striking in the sun. Okay. What an amazing animal. I will touch the toad. Carefully go around it. You need to be touching everything. Survival +1. It may be poisonous. I can't risk it. That's right. That's right. Survival points. Staring fixedly at the road? How about I'm fixated on the road? You carefully walk around it and hurry to keep up with your companion. Unga Bunga, say hurry up or leave your ass behind. Gettr, move fat ass. Yes? Move big white ass. Walk. I can carry you the rest of the journey. Hello. Hello. Oh. I pretty sturdy. You know. Oh, okay. Oh, carry me or oh my God, you carry me. So carry me. And you grip his shoulder. Oh my. Is that another vine, Unga? Are you happy to see me, or is it a vine holding your pants up? Hello. You feel yourself blush with embarrassment. Oh my. Oh. He moves his hands quickly up. I mean, quickly, but definitely your heart skips a beat with every step. Hello. No one's ever cared me as much as he has. Unga Bunga. Unga Bunga strong. The high forest around you dissipates and you enter a sunny, plain, beautiful plain. Oh. Alright, so hold on 1 second. We're already at what? 18 minutes? A few more minutes. We found the plane. A few more minutes. Blink, 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 blinkity, blink, blink. Okay. I got 10,000 points for playing for 15 minutes. You can take your eyes off the waterfall. Flowing down from the top of a mountain. But there's a massive plane right in front of your eyes. Oh my God. Which is barely intact after a crash. It's so beautiful here. That true. Me also see something beautiful. Hello. We need to cool off. Me need to cool off. Me take naked bath in water. Hello. I'll just watch. Cool off? Yes. We take clothes off and swim in big pond. He starts taking off his jewelry. Oh my. Oh my. You don't have to. You can keep, but you don't have. You can keep, but you don't have to. I don't. That next. Okay, and then that next, and then. Okay. You automatically turn away from him as he strips in front of you. That's what I'm talking about. Let go. Let go. Let go of inhibition. He takes a running jump into the water and splashes towards you. This is very childish. This is childish. He's butt naked, swimming. He wants to have fun with you. Take off clothes. Take off clothes, white bitch. But I do really want to cool off. Hello. You timidly step into the shallow water. Oh, come on. You gotta take that moppy dress off anyway. Should I get undressed? Hell yeah. Strip down completely, taking off my clothes. Should I get undressed? Take off my clothing. Strip down completely. There you go. Romance +1. Well, as in Rome, you're happy to finally get rid of your dirty, bedraggled clothes. You gladly submerge into the cool water up to your chin. What a pleasure to wash away all the dirt you accumulated. Oh my. Oh my. Unga Bunga emerges from the water near you. Check this out. What? Me find clam. Me see your clam? Water streaming through his wet hair. I'm a little embarrassed with him. Splash water at him. Swim closer. Hell yeah. You smile and swim very close to him. Hell yeah. You were right. I need to cool down. But now, unfortunately, I'm also steaming up. How is that possible? Almost smiles there softly. Ass not as big in dress anymore. Unga Bunga like white ass. Unga Bunga like what he see. Jungle not only pretty thing Unga Bunga see. I'm on the path of romance. That's what I'm talking about. Unga Bunga looks deep into your eyes. Unga Bunga up here. Up here. Unga Bunga up here. Eyes. His face just inches from yours. Hello. Hello. You're stunningly beautiful. Me take you now for wife. Oh my. You can guess what's going to happen now. Oh, I'll reach out to him. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. You put your hands on his chest and look into his eyes. You're both butt naked in a jungle all alone. You put your hands on his chest. Me have something else to grab. Me have other vine to show you. He leans closer to you and pulls you in front for a kiss. Hell yeah. When he kisses your lips, nothing seems more natural than being intimate with him. Hello. Hello. Your breath quickens, and you feel his hands holding your waist confidently. Ooh. Unga Bunga. He gently pulls away from your lips. It was incredible. Me kiss many monkeys for a long time. Me have good practice. I don't even know whether I was ready for such intimacy, but I'm ready now. I feel uncomfortable. No, you feel just fine. You're fine. You'll get over it. You'll get over it. Me like to show you something. Oh, Unga. By power, it's rising. Oh, Unga. Hope you're not going to drown me. That was water. She was drowning in water. No. Me no drown you. Me show you the power of love. I believe. The power Godness gave me between legs. Oh, I'm intrigued. Unga Bunga raises his hand to his face. You see his fingers begin to shine like flames. Oh, Unga. This is still chapter 1, guys. It's like a hallucination. But I am completely sane, am I? I'm falling deeper, deeper into love every second. Fiery sparks go straight from his palm right into my, rush into the sky. Enchanted, you look at this unusual anomaly. Oh, Unga. Is this kind of a trick? Me got burning flame for you. Me a hunka burning love. Is this some kind of trick? Give me your hand. Oh, Unga. No, touch my hand. Unga Bunga gently takes your hand. You feel the heat filling it. It's quite warm, isn't it? Oh my. Fiery sparks sweep through your fingers and fly up. Where? Oh my. It seemed like something was on the verge of... It seemed like something was on the verge of insanity. Oh, but you can't take your eyes off the fire produced by your joining hands. Oh, Unga Bunga. Unga Bunga. It's simply incredible. It's much bigger than I ever thought. Me, thank you. I meant the flame. I don't know if all this can be explained logically. If I weren't here, I would never believe it. Did I scare you with my natural Guatemalanness? My natural heat? Did I scare you? Oh... no. But let's stop making out and let's go search this plane. Because I got nothing better to do. Unga Bunga has fighter jet between legs. A big bird, remember? Oh, Unga. Alright, hold on a second here. We're gonna stop there for this particular video. That was a 27-minute one. Right around there. I don't know with editing. I don't think I need to edit this one that much. I hope you enjoy it. Yes, we're being overly silly. That's the point. I hope you enjoy the comedy, the story, the silliness. If you made it this far in this video, thank you. Give us some hearts, some love, some thumbs ups. Catch you in the next one. This is part 4. Look out for the next video, part 5. Look out for part 5. Love you guys. Thank you.